In respiratory auscultation, we need to check 4 things. First is quality of sound. It can be either vesicular or bronchial. Vesicular is longer in inspiration and there is no gap. Here there is gap and it's equal. Normally we can find the bronchial breathing in this site, but if you find it otherwhere, you should comment about that. You must to say I found bronchial breathing in, for example, right lower lobe. Of course, in the start of auscultation, ask the patient to breathe from his mouth. Second thing, you should comment about intensity of the sound, which is air entry. Normal, you will find normal intensity in both sides, but if you found it reduced in one or both sides, that's the abnormality. Third thing is added sound or adventitious. It's subdivided into 4 sound. First, wheeze. Wheeze can be high or low pitched, but you can differentiate until you get practice. First one for asthma, second one for COPD. The wheezing, you will find it everywhere in the lung, but if you find it localized, that can be either due to mucus or carcinoma. How you will differentiate? You will ask the patient to cough. If it cleared with cough, it will be mucus. If not, most likely it's bronchogenic carcinoma, because it will narrow the airway and it will produce the wheezing. Crackles, the second added sound, can be low pitched or high pitched, which is crepitation. This is the most common or widely used terminology. There are not used right now. If it's present, you must to differentiate it according to the timing. For example, if it's early in inspiratory phase, it indicates COPD, but if it's late, or we can call it PAN, you must divide it according to its quality. If it's fine, it indicates interstitial lung disease. If it's medium, left ventricular failure. If it's coarse, it will be bronchiectasis, and it would change with coughing because it's generated from fluid and the pus, so it will change with coughing. Last thing is in added sound, it's pleural friction rub. Pleural friction rub is sound that generated from friction of 2 inflamed pleural layer, visceral and parietal. That can happen due to pneumonia, pulmonary infarction, or malignant involvement of the pleura. So you can find it anywhere. And last thing, you should comment about focal resonance. The focal resonance is that by asking the patient to say 99, okay, or 44. These 2 numbers will be heard clearly if there is consolidation. If there is no consolidation or fibrosis, it will not be clear. Finally, after auscultation, you should give full comment about your finding. For example, you will say in normal people, normal vesicular sound with equal air entry with no added sound, and the focal resonance was normal. Okay, and if you find abnormality, for example, you have left lower lobe consolidation, you will find bronchial breathing. So we will say bronchial breathing in left lower lobe and decreased air entry in the left lower lobe. There was, for example, pleural friction rub in left lower lobe, and the focal resonance is increased in the left lower lobe. The other parts of the lung are normal. This is full comment on respiratory auscultation.